You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. If you want to learn names of all other Harry Potter houses or Harry Potter and all names that are confusing in the series, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. This one is pronounced Slytherin. Let's break down the pronunciation. Sly, the with the th pronounced with your tongue between your teeth, and then ren. Stress on the first syllable, the sly syllable. English pronunciation. Make sure to stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. You need to watch next. Slytherin, how to pronounce Slytherin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.